All right, now I have the Fairbanks ready to go, but came across a new problem. So I'm gonna have to fix this before I even attempt to fire it up. See, that handle is flying off, and so did the fix that I put on it. Now, if you look inside, it's just a piece of aluminum, and what I got holding it is a washer, so it won't back out. Well, the problem is, when I went to go fire it up, it started loosening up, so that's not good, and started walking. So I'm gonna make a new handle here, and to do that, I got this piece of wood here, nice piece of oak, and we're gonna cast a new handle. So before I do that, I'm gonna show you how to take the handle off. Okay, so right here, pin goes all the way through this cavity right here. So I just take something to beat on. All right, now I got that up all the way. Take a 3/8 and you just keep on bringing it up until it loosens up. Now this pin is tapered. And there we go. Now, man, I got that in there good. If I move it just a little bit, it's fine, but might as well fix it. Okay, got that out. Where it was rubbing, and that washer was barely holding it back, but gotta fix it. So this will be an interesting build. So stay tuned for this build, the Fairbanks Morse handle. It'll be interesting. Be some casting, be some machining, and hopefully a perfect product when I'm done. So stay tuned for that. So if you guys like this content, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.